See now coming. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Prorate convention will put calendar month, life on month 0. So for building category Chennai head office, it is a property real. I am not going to enable depreciation. So whatever account here it will not, system will not create any accounting entry, because if I run depreciation for this, whatever assets I'm going to create under this major and minor category, it will not have any impact, correct? Because we are not going to calculate depreciation, we have disabled this checkbox.
Yeah.
So now I will choose our asset book, and then if I click on search, here we will add one asset category. Now I will add another asset category with depreciation. Let it be vehicles, car, property, personal, in physical inventory, plus. So this one is APFA car book, accounts. Here I will choose asset clearing. If you see, if I enter depreciation expenses and depreciation reserve, this bonus depreciation and bonus depreciation reserve will come automatically. See, this is vehicle, right? Let me search vehicles. See,
Yeah.
see what is this bonus depreciation is. Sometimes we estimated that this asset will be having 5 years, but suddenly you made some changes to your asset. You made a service or you changed the some part. Because of that, your asset life is going to increase for some more years. So that time you will be calculating additionally depreciation, right? You will get additional bonus depreciations.
Okay. Yeah.
Default rules come plus. So let's say this is also STL. Let's say this is 5 years, 0. Save and close. Now, if I search, so we have two things. So like that, we need to create all the asset categories. Whatever the asset categories which we created, like that, we need to do we need to configure the setup for all the asset books. Sorry, all the asset categories which we created. See, like this, we have land and then some other things, right? So now, up to this, are you guys clear, or you are got confused somewhere?
Monish, I need to recap this everything.
Recap.
Yeah, for sure.
Tomorrow I will show you how to create the assets actually for these two categories. So tomorrow first what we will do, we will add these roles to your username, and then whatever configurations we have done, for that we will do the asset creation. So we can create asset for these two categories. But before creating asset categories, what we need to do is, you remember in the chart of accounts, we are not having proper values, correct? So I gave all the accounts as the same accounts. See, if you see here, asset cost, asset clearing, all the accounts I am not given properly. So tomorrow we will create some values and then we will map it here. For example, this asset cost is nothing but whenever you create asset in the system will generate in account debit and then your asset account. Whenever you create asset manually directly in the system, asset account debit, and then asset clearing account credit. So it depends on the business that whether they are going to have only one asset account, one asset clearing account, or they are going to have separately for vehicles means they will use particular asset account. So that asset account we will map it here. For vehicles, they will have separately each accounts means then we will need to have those values in our chart of accounts and then we will choose specifically. If they have separately for building, then we will choose separately building accounts in these setups. Correct? Logically.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow we will create some chart of account values in the asset and asset clearing account. Then we will update this setup and then we will proceed with creating the assets for these two categories. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Sure. Thank you. Bye. Please share the Excel file, Manish.
Yeah, sure. I'm doing it now.